Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about one of the options given by the PySpark in the structure streaming concept, which will help you to filter out the non-required files. Okay, so let me explain you the problem statement here. So sometimes in the source location, okay, your source location, you will receive some unwanted files. Okay, let's say you are supposed to ingest all the CSV files from source to target. Okay, all the CSV files, but somehow one XML files come into this source location. Now since you are reading into the streaming into the streaming process, right, what it will do, it will completely ingest this XML file also. Even though this is not a CSV file, it will ingest it, right? It will treat this XML file as a CSV file and it will insert all those records as a column. Now, to handle these or such kind of scenarios, we can use one of the option given by PySpark, or you can say in the structure streaming, known as path globe filter. Okay, please be remember this G and this F should be capital actually. Okay, okay, path globe filter. This is the option which you need to use. Okay, you can say option, then path globe filter, and then you can provide your extension, let's say CSV, something like this. It will work. You can say anything which is starting from something dot CSV. This is what I'm giving, you can say a file extension. Okay, so let's see how we can implement this in the structure streaming. I will quickly switch over to my Databricks workspace, and if you see here, I have already written the code. This is the same code we use to import, then the schema, then the file reading, and the streaming, and the writing. Okay, and if you see, currently we have only one file, and in the target location as of now there is no file loaded, so it's saying that the path itself is not there. I will start this job. What it will do, it will start loading the data into the target location. See, started running. So if I go here and check now, the folder should be created, or the file should be added. So now you can see the records are already added here. Okay, now the next thing is, what I will do, I will add one XML file over here, and I will show you that it will even import this XML file as well, or it will even ingest this XML file as well, even though we have asked it to read only the CSV format. Streaming format is still running, sorry, streaming query is still running. Now we will check again the data which is being loaded till now, and if you see, now suddenly it became 15. It means few more records got added. See, these are our XML records. So it ingested the XML tag as the data itself. Now to refrain these from these kind of problems, what we can use is, we can use that option, right, basically, and you can use this option while reading the data itself. So you will say option, okay, path G should be capital, F should be capital, and then you can say CSV. Okay, this is how it will filter it. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just quickly go and delete the data from that location, whatever has been ingested so far. So it will delete everything, okay, the checkpoints as well as the data. And if we try to see the data from here, we'll not receive anything. Let me run everything. See, it deleted the data from here. Now let me delete this XML file again, and I will run the code. So first of all, it will ingest that CSV file without any issue because that has a CSV extension. Okay, let's see. Now let's go there, check if the data is loaded or not. See, all the 9 records are ingested. Now I will go upload the XML file, and I'm hoping it should not ingest that records also. So we'll wait for 1 second and we'll run it. Still 9 records. Let's prove it. Let's ingest one more file. Let's say day 2. If you see, earlier we had 9 records. Let's try to run it again. Now we have 18 records, and you see there is no XML file now. So that's how we can filter the files while ingesting the data from source to target location. So you can use this filter. It will be very helpful for you in the streaming scenarios. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.